Let's make sweet lipsticks from our favorite desserts instead. Squeeze a little hot glue into a lipstick container to cover the hole inside. Add a few Skittles candies into a cup with Vaseline. Put in a little beeswax. Put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Take out the candies. Add edible glitter. Mix well. Pour the sparkly mixture in the lipstick container. Let it cool. Enjoy the glowing lip balm with a Skittles flavor. I like toffee so much, now I've got delicious lip balm tasting of my favorite candy. Hot glue to cover the hole inside the lipstick container. Break the toffee into pieces. Put Vaseline, wax shavings, and cocoa butter in 1 cup. Melt in the microwave. Make a lipstick. Pour the mixture in several layers, adding pieces of toffee to each. Fill the tube. Let it cool. This amazing lipstick will turn your lips into the awesome candy. You'll have to restrain yourself not to eat the tempting toffee balm. What about aquamarine balm? Why not? Let's make it from gummy sharks. Melt gummy sharks in the double boiler. Add a sky blue coloring. Mix it up. Put Vaseline, add the wax. Put it in the microwave. Pour the melted liquid in the blue jelly. Mix well. Pop up the middle part of the EOS container and twist it on the top. Pour in the mixture. Put it in the freezer. Assemble the EOS container. This turquoise blue balm is for the bold and risky girls, for those who love the sea, dream of adventures, and like experimenting. If you are a romantic person, you need a delicate lip balm in a cute container. Cocoa-flavored hearts are just for you. Melt a big piece of cocoa butter. Put in multicolored heart sprinkles. We've chosen a heart-shaped container for this balm. Pour it in. Distribute the hearts evenly. Let it cool. The heart balm in a cute pink container is just what a dreamy person needs. The sweet cocoa fragrance will make it unique. The Coca-Cola lip balm is one of the most unusual in this compilation. We'll need sugar and Coca-Cola. Pour the drink in a tablespoon of sugar, heated above a flame. Stir and let it boil to make the sugar dissolve. Pop up the middle part of the EOS container. Smudge the top with oil. Pour in the sweet liquid. Set the grid in place. Pour in another portion. Put it in the freezer. Assemble the container. We've got a totally awesome lip balm. It's semi-transparent, very sweet, and smells of cola. I've got clear gloss with candies inside. Do you want the same for you? Snip off the top of an empty gel gloss tube. Clean it to remove the makeup left over. Put it on the top. Melt coconut oil and Vaseline. Put in sprinkles of different shapes and color. Pour in the melted mixture of the coconut oil and Vaseline. Close the top. Press the plastic with pliers and seal it above a flame. There's a little magic inside. Take care of your lips in any season. Enjoy your sweet lip balms, chocolate scrub, and candy gloss, and write in your comments which of them you liked the most. Give your thumbs up, be sure to subscribe, and hit the bell to hear your sweet life ring.